morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guide. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. Sound, picture quality, everything is fine. रेडी करेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे डिस्कशन आज का 28 to 30th of June 2025. जून मंथ इज ओवर. दिस वाज द 6th month of the year 2025. मतलब आपने रियलाइज किया होगा 2025 जस्ट अभी स्टार्ट हुआ था एंड नाउ वी आर देयर ऑन द एंड ऑफ June 2025 and we will be moving toward the July. आपका 7th month start हो जाएगा. Same to means in a so quick manner the days are going to pass. You will not even realize how much near you will be there very soon to your pre-examination and after that means examination. So continue to put the efforts for at least next 3-4 months without any gap, without any break. So this year can give you the selection which you are actually looking for from long time, right? चलिए, so good morning. मेरा काम होता है बीच बीच में रियलाइज करवाते रहना, याद दिलाते रहना, ठीक है कि हाँ हाफ ईयर ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो गया, 2025 कंप्लीट हो गया. सो वॉट एवर द टास्क और द गोल्स विच यू हैड इन योर माइंड फॉर द ईयर 2025, अब उसके लिए आपके पास रिमेनिंग हाफ बचा है, फर्स्ट हाफ इज ओवर. चलिए, so 28 to 30th of June current affairs. News number 1. Securities and Exchange Board of India imposed the fine of 25 lakh rupee on the BSE Limited for the multiple regulatory violations. So एक ही news है आज regulatory news category में, that SEBI have imposed the fine of 25 lakh rupee on BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange Limited. Government of India approved Aadhaar based verification for IBPS exams to prevent the impersonation, that is MBBS, Munna Bhai MBBS type of incidents. So to avoid such type of incidents in the सुना सा लग रहा है IBPS exam. Everyone knows which exams are called IBPS examinations. So government approved Aadhaar based verification for the IBPS examination with the support of OTP, with the support of face verification, fingerprint verification. Lots of verifications will be done for making the confirmation the same person is writing the examination who have filled the examination form. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर है. तो ये वाला एक न्यूज लग रहा होगा, सुना हुआ, कुछ ऐसा कुछ होता है IBPS एग्जाम टाइप. गांधीनगर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन लिस्ट 25 करोड़ रुपए म्युनिसिपल बॉन्ड ऑन द नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. सो गांधीनगर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन recently came up with the municipal bond. Do you know that which was the first municipal corporation in India came with the municipal bond option? So municipal bond जो option है वो पहली बार कब इंडिया में स्टार्ट हुआ एंड स्टार्टेड बाय विच म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन? इफ यू नो दैट डू राइट इट. ठीक है, इफ यू नो दैट डू राइट इट. टेल मी that which was the first municipal corporation started the municipal bond concept in India. Moving to the next one. Union Minister of Finance Nirmala Sitharaman ji recently led the meeting of Managing Director and the CEO of Public Sector Banks in India, PSB. 12 public sector bank participated into that. So how much was the profit generated by the PSB in the last financial year? What was the gross profit? What was the net profit, gross NPA, net NPA of the public sector banks in India? Complete data we are going to get in this particular news and going to be very important also for written as well as for interview. इंटरव्यू में आपसे पूछ लिया जाता है why you want to join PSB. So if you will be able to tell two data, sir, PSBs are able to perform this much high in the financial inclusion. Around 95% of PSBD accounts are there with the public sector banks, sir. Along with that, altogether, PSB generated the profit of approximately this much amount of rupee. So they get, okay, you have done some homework around the public sector bank. So data is going to be important for interview as well. Those who are planning to attend RRB PO, IBPSP and SBI PO interview for the year 2025, उनके लिए important data होगा. I want to know that how many of you are planning, raise your hand. How many of you are planning to attend the interview in the year 2025, banking interview? Bangalore correct है? It was 1997. Bangalore Municipal Corporation started issuing the municipal bond concept in India in the year 1997. 1997 में start किया था Bangalore Municipal Corporation. ठीक है, आगे move करें. उद्यम भारत MSME Day, Micro Small Medium Enterprises Day 2025, empowering the MSME for the sustainable growth and innovation. 27th of June 2025 celebrated in the form of Udyam Bharat Day. So Udyam Bharat Day celebrated by the government of India. What objective, on which date is celebrated, what is the importance of it? so many questions you can get based on the single news. अच्छा, very few people, very good. हाँ, कम ही लोग हैं, चलो अच्छा है, क्लास में से भी कम ही लोग हैं जिनका टारगेट है टू अटेंड द इंटरव्यू 2025. अच्छा है, कंपटीशन कम रहेगा आप लोगों के लिए. कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया, देखो कंपटीशन की बात हुई, कंपटीशन कमीशन न्यूज में आ गया. कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया अप्रूव द एक्विजिशन ऑफ आकाश एजुकेशनल फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज by Manipal Health System and Manipal Education Group. So Akash Institution, आप लोगों ने नाम जरूर सुना होगा. It's a big institution in the field of exam preparation of medical and IIT JEE Foundation. So this particular coaching institution will be acquired by Manipal Group now. Manipal Group इसको acquire करने जा रहा है. Google introduced AI mode in India with enhanced reasoning and multimodal feature, or a new AI option launched by Google in India called AI mode. So AI mode will be a type of better Google search. It will offer the better Google search. Till now the difficult searches where you are unable to get the data, that will be available with the support of AI mode. So AI mode Google search option will be available now in India with the better reasoning and search option. Bihar became the first state in the country to launch e-voting facility. So online voting, e-voting करवाने वाला पहला state India का बन गया बिहार. How it was conducted, what was the benefit, everything we'll discuss. But before that, homework के questions check कर लेते हैं. What was the total outlay approved by the Union Cabinet for the centrally sponsored scheme to upgrade the ITI in India? Correct answer was 60,000 crore rupees. 60,000 crore rupees was approved by the Government of India for ITI modernization. Along with that, 5 National Center of Excellence were created in Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kanpur and Ludhiana. Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kanpur and Ludhiana. These 5 places, 5 National Center of Excellence announced by the Government of India. What is the name of the joint venture that is formed by the Paras Defense along with the Heaven Drones? Correct answer is Paras Heaven Drones India. Paras Heaven Drones India, where the Indian company is going to hold 60% stake. तो इंडियन कंपनी जो है आपकी, उसका स्टैक इसमें रहेगा आपका 60%. ठीक है, ये मूव हो गया. आगे मूव करते हैं. सो आर TNA heroes are Kirbu Bhashini, okay, Sanyojana, Sabha, Sujoy, then Jackie, okay, Simran, Haritha, Abhinay, Charan, Durga, Jackie Durga Rao, Sudha, Shravan, Shravini, Satya, then Ipshita, Lohit, Sanyojana, Parvati, Naveen, Naresh, Prashant. Thank you guys, thank you for answering so many names. No, Varuni Gupta, Ganesh, Yashraj, Isha, Rachna, Karuna, Sai, Sweetie. Thank you guys, thank you for answers. Ajit, Bharat, you had a question that, sir, I am following you from the month of June onwards. Will it be enough for the examination? First of all, content is more than enough, but not from the June month. At least cover the current affairs from the month of May. May month से आप current affairs cover करिए. Second important point. Banking awareness is also a very decent and hold a very decent weightage in the examination nowadays. So when you are going for banking sector exam, cover banking awareness. When you are going for insurance sector exam, cover insurance awareness. So this banking awareness, insurance awareness also you need to cover along with the current affairs. Follow the faculty with whom you are able to connect properly. If you are able to connect with me properly, then my Hustle 2.0 batch is available, where you will be able to get banking awareness and insurance awareness properly along with the monthly current affairs. ठीक है, but content is enough. So Veer, Siddharth, Chiranjeevi, Bharat, Anusha, Anku and Monica, Arup, Sai Lakshmi. Thank you guys, thank you for answer. Let's see the question for tomorrow. Which country introduced golden visa to attract the foreigners for how many years from India? तो कितने years का एक वीजा, गोल्डन वीजा भी recently announced किया and announced by which country? Second one, which country became first to officially integrate the cryptocurrency payment in the national tourism policy through the partnership with Binance Pay and DK Bank? Second question. Third, India extended Maldives $50 million treasury for another 1 year. Which bank executed this treasury bill bonds for the Maldives government? कौन सा बैंक इसमें involved था? ठीक है. Moving to the next one, Hustle 2.0, as you already know, it is one-stop solution for the complete preparation of banking awareness, current affairs, static GK at one place. Central Bank of India and PNB credit officer interview batches are going live. Today we have the topic very important, that is financial ratios. Important financial ratios which they usually ask in the credit officer interview. PNB, apart from credit officer, this financial ratio topic is not important for IBPSP or SBIP, but it is important in credit officers. We will cover that topic today itself. What is our mentorship program? At one place you will be able to get all the courses also with the personalized mentorship. Welcome to Guidely guys. My PDF will be available in this Telegram group. So you can connect with me over the Telegram group, get the PDF. If you have any confusion, also connect with me directly in my inbox. Moving toward the news number 1. सिंपल न्यूज है, कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. सेबी imposed a fine of 25 lakh rupee on the BSE Limited. BSE, exactly you are thinking correct, it is Bombay Stock Exchange Limited. So on the Bombay Stock Exchange Limited, 25 lakh rupee fine was imposed by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. BSE is the oldest stock market in Asia, most powerful stock market in India, one of the most powerful stock market in India. Same stock market BSE got the penalty of 25 lakh rupee from SEBI. SEBI ने fine impose किया. Reason, some security concern SEBI have found in the BSE that brokers were not effectively supervised, and because of that this fine was imposed. So security issue, weak security issue, weak supervision, these were the reasons because of which 25 lakh rupee fine imposed by SEBI on BSE Limited. BSE पर impose किया है fine. BSE is the oldest stock market in Asia, established in the year 1875 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And talking about SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, founded on 12th April 1988, became the autonomous body in the year 30th of January 1992, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarters. Tuhin Kant Pandey is the chairperson of BSE. Sorry, Tuhin Kant Pandey is the chairperson of SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. चलिए आते हैं गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स वाले टॉपिक पर. एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज अभी रिसेंटली इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है इन द बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल न्यूज कैटेगरी. Sir, I am a new pass out, haven't read the current affairs. What should I do now? Mr. Chatterjee, what you can do is start the current affairs from the month of, anyhow you have to cover the current affairs from the month of May at least. You cannot skip May and June current affairs. So take time on the weekend when I don't take classes. On Saturday, Sunday, utilize your time and complete the classes of May and June. And today onwards, continue with the current affairs classes. So you are not going to miss the upcoming classes. That you need to do. Consistency is important in the success. One of the most important thing. So continue with the current affairs. Along with that weekend, you utilize the weekend for the last 2 months. That is May and June current affairs. Okay. For any type of confusion, connect with me directly. This is my Telegram group, GA Genius by Aditya sir. Moving to the news. Government approved Aadhaar based verification for the IBPS exam to prevent the impersonation. Means one person is writing the examination, dummy candidate. We call it dummy candidate in a normal basis. If you have watched the movie Munna Bhai MBBS, so these dummy candidates, these such incidents became very famous after that, right? याद है किसी को? So that is what the impersonation. So to avoid that, to completely discard that during the IBPS examination, now Aadhaar based verification has been announced by the government of India. It will improve the recruitment process in the banking financial services sector, BFSI sector. Gazetted of India notification, IBPS have designated as a public examination authority under the Public Examination Prevention Unfair Means of Act 2024. And Ministry of Electronics, Information Technology, along with that UDI, have done the consultation for the implementation of it. Along with that, Union Railway Minister also made announcement that Aadhaar based OTP verification for the Tatkal booking will be implemented from 1st of July to eliminate the middleman. कि middleman को हटाने के लिए OTP based, Aadhaar OTP based Tatkal verification or Tatkal ticket booking system will be implemented from July onwards, 1st of July onwards. Next news. Gandhinagar Municipal Corporation list 25 crore rupee municipal bond recently, and on which stock market? On the National Stock Exchange. On the National Stock Exchange. What is the meaning of it? इसका meaning क्या है sir? Meaning is 25 crore rupee will be raised by Gandhinagar Municipal Corporation in the form of loan. Whenever any organization is issuing bond in the market, it means organization want to raise money in the form of loan, not from bank but from the general public. Along with that, banks are also allowed to make investment. Other financial institution, foreigners, anyone can invest in these bonds and can provide the loan to the such organization. So this Gandhinagar Municipal Corporation planning to raise 25 crore rupee from the market in the form of issuing the bond. Such bonds are called Muni bond or municipal bond. In India, municipal bond concept was started by Bangalore Municipal Corporation. Bangalore Municipal Corporation in the year 1997. India's first. Now this municipal bond or Muni bond also categorized as blue bond. इन्हें blue bond भी कहा जाने लगा है, blue bond. Or there is a concept called not municipal bond, there is a concept called blue bond and yellow bond. Blue bond and yellow bond. Yellow bond. Blue bond is the bond which is related to marine sector. If the bond is related to marine sector, then it is called blue bond. If the bond is related to solar energy, then it is called yellow bond. Then we have green bond. This is very common. Green bond is related to renewable energy. So if the bond is related to renewable energy, any type of renewable energy, then it is called what? ग्रीन बॉन्ड. तो ये कुछ बॉन्ड्स कैटेगरी में आ गए आपके पास. यहां तक का पॉइंट क्लियर है? बोलिए यस और नो. या location that in the paid current affairs like Siddharth is a student of Hustle 2.2 batch. You will be able to get the monthly current affairs topic wise. So if you are looking for that, along with that banking awareness in depth in detail, banking awareness you will not be able to find my any lecture over the YouTube. But I'm okay good in the banking awareness part, but I don't teach over YouTube because that take time and lots of effort. So that is there only in the paid classes. ठीक है? चलिए. So first municipal corporation to issue the bond was Bangalore Municipal Corporation 1997. एक और क्वेश्चन रखूं आपके सामने. Which was the first municipal corporation to issue yellow bond in India? The first yellow bond in India started by or launched by which municipal corporation? Answer बताइएगा. So Gandhinagar Municipal Corporation became the first in Gujarat to issue the municipal bond just within the 15 year of the establishment. In 2010 it was started. Next news, अगला news है. Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji, that is our Finance Minister of India, recently attended annual review meeting of managing directors and CEO of public sector banks. So how many PSBs we have in India? In India, currently we have total 12 public sector banks. Total 12 PSBs are there in India. 12 public sector banks हमारे पास. Indore is correct, guys. I'll repeat again. There was a question I have raised, which was the first municipal corporation issue the yellow bond in India. Yellow bond means which is related to solar energy, only solar energy. Answer is Indore Municipal Corporation is the first to issue yellow bond in India. Okay? Now moving to the next concept. So 12 public sector banks we have in India. These PSBs are categorized like 11 nationalized bank and one is State Bank of India. So 12 plus 11 plus 1 total 12 public sector bank attended the meeting under the chairmanship of Finance Minister of India Nirmala Sitharaman ji. It was a review meeting that what was the performance of the public sector banks in India, what was the profit, what was the gross NPA, net NPA, etc. Department of Financial Services Secretary M. Nagaraju sir have also attended the meeting. The total business of public sector bank increases from 203 lakh crore to 251 lakh crore rupee. This was the total business generated by the public sector bank. While the net profit, very important data, net profit of public sector bank increases from 1.04 lakh crore to 1.78 lakh crore. 1.78 lakh crore was the total profit generated by the public sector banks in India. I'm talking about the 12 public sector banks. Out of 1.78 lakh crore, can anyone tell me what was the profit generated by SBI alone? SBI अकेले का profit कितना है sir? From 1.78 lakh crore, that is the total profit generated by the public sector bank. Profit is increasing year on year, while the net NPA of public sector bank declined from 1.24% to 0.52%. Means just check the performance. Business is increasing, profit is increasing, and NPA is decreasing. Means public sector banks are doing one of the great in their history at present. अभी बहुत बढ़िया business कर रहे हैं. हाँ, 70,900 crore rupee was the business. 70,900 crore was the business generated by State Bank of India. So out of 1.78 lakh crore, 70,000 crore was the business of only SBI. Is my point clear? यहाँ तक का point समझ में आ रहा है? Business increase. What is the meaning of business increase? What is the meaning of total business? Total business means total loans provided by the bank, total loans offered by the bank, plus total advances collected by the bank in 1 year. So total loan plus total advances created by the bank. Total loan, not advances, deposits, sorry. Total loans or advances or total deposits. इसको हम जब कैलकुलेट कर लें that what was the total business, so how much money bank have accepted, how much money bank have created, what was the total business created by the bank का total business क्या create रहा, so that was 2.251 lakh crore rupee was the total business created by the bank. Point समझ में आया? क्लियर है? PSB had the CRAR, capital adequacy ratio of 16.15%, 16.15% as on March 2025. Remaining things are, banks are doing great. They are running the special drives to increase the financial inclusion. They are using the branches, including the digital network, to increase the reach of the banking services in India. तो वो सारा आपका theory part है. Data was important, so most important data is profitability increased from 1.04 lakh crore rupee to 1.78 lakh crore. Net NPA came down from 1.24% to 0.52%. ये दो important data, बहुत important है. And whenever a question comes to your mind, because after even student don't get satisfied after getting selected, I'll tell you, recently I had uncountable number of students, those who got selected in the year 2025 in IBPSPO or in SBI Clerk. So still you will get a question from there. Sir, I got Central Bank of India, sir. I got BOI, sir. Should I prepare for SBI PO examination? Sir, I got Punjab, this Bank of Maharashtra, sir. Is there any chances of the privatization? Currently, there is no chance of privatization of any public sector bank. Reason is profitability. Reason is low NPA. Reason is bank's performance. They are doing exceptionally well. Currently, there is no chance. Point समझ में आया? बोलो yes or no? Yeah. Shivam, exactly, there is no such date which is announced, but after 10th of July, anytime we can expect the interview for credit officer. Okay? चलिए आगे move करें. So, bank have done great in the field of implementation of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PM Saur Ghar Mufti Bijli Yojana, PM Vidya Lakshmi scheme. Vidya Lakshmi scheme is a education loan scheme under which up to 10 lakh rupee loan can be provided to the women's loan ले सकती हैं, girls up to 10 lakh rupee education loan. KCC Kisan Credit Card, KCC agriculture collateral free loan limit, agriculture collateral free loan limit was enhanced to how much amount of rupee? क्या लिमिट बना दी है collateral free agriculture loan का? आंसर बताइएगा. Collateral free agri loan limit. What is the new limit? लिमिट बताइए कितना लिमिट है? हाँ, collateral free loan limit. Okay, 2 lakh rupee, very good. It was increased from 1.6 lakh to 2 lakh. Very good. And interest subvention scheme under KCC. In the KCC, we have interest subvention scheme also. The limit of interest subvention scheme was increased from 3 lakh rupee to how much? 3 lakh rupee to 5 lakh rupee. 3 lakh rupee to 5 lakh rupee. Don't get confused in between these 2 points. 2 lakh rupees is the collateral free agriculture loan limit, and 5 lakh rupees the limit of interest subvention scheme where the subsidy is available over KCC, जहां पर KCC पर सब्सिडी अवेलेबल है. क्लियर है दोनों पॉइंट? अच्छे से आगे मूव करेंगे. सो प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना, under which BSBD accounts are available. BSBDA, basic saving and deposit accounts are available. BSBD accounts are the no frill account. Currently in India, approximately 2.52 lakh crore, 2.52 lakh crore deposit. हाँ, 2.52 lakh crore rupees approximately the deposit in this account. Then Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is a life insurance scheme which is available. Suraksha Bima Yojana is a accidental insurance scheme. So Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana age group to join is 18 to 50. Suraksha Bima Yojana age group to join is 18 to 70. ये सब आपके schemes हैं. चलो आगे move करेंगे. Star Health Insurance collaborate with the Medi Assist, which is a AI based company. Medi Assist to enhance the claim processing by using AI technology. So Star Health Insurance, which is a health insurance company in India, now going to utilize the artificial intelligence to faster the claim settlement process. तो अपने claim settlement process को तेज करने के लिए, फास्ट करने के लिए recent Star Health Insurance ने adopt किया है Matrix. Matrix is a tool that is offered by Medi Assist. Medi Assist providing this Matrix tool which will be utilized by Star Health Insurance for the purpose of providing the faster claim settlement to the customer. Next one, Sagarmala Finance Corporation. Sagarmala Finance Corporation, very important name. Reason being, it is a new NBFC in India. एक नई NBFC है. That is also government owned NBFC. Very similar to PFC, Power Finance Corporation. Similar to that. A new NBFC in India is Sagarmala Finance Corporation. Sagarmala Maritime Finance Corporation Limited is India's first NBFC which is focused on maritime sector. So marine sector पे focused India का पहला NBFC name is Sagarmala Maritime Finance Corporation Limited. This company is registered under Reserve Bank of India as a NBFC. So it is a RBI regulated NBFC now, and it is also a Mini Ratna category 1 company. Work under Ministry of Shipping and Waterways. तो किस मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर में काम कर रहा है? Ministry of Shipping and Waterways के अंडर में काम कर रहा है. This organization will be aimed to bridge the financing gap of the maritime sector. So main objective of this organization NBFC is to provide the lending facility to the maritime sector. 2 points enough है. Point number 1, Sagarmala Maritime Finance Corporation Limited is the name of the company. This company got the approval from the Reserve Bank of India to act as a non-bank financial company focused on the maritime sector in India. Will be objective to provide the lending facility either to the MSME startups or any companies which are working into the maritime sector, shipbuilding and all. Company headquarter located in New Delhi. Mr. Deepak Kumar Gupta is the managing director of the company at present. ये इसके managing director हैं. ठीक है. I hope the point is clear. Next one, Equatus Small Finance Bank with the Edelweiss Life Insurance have done the collaboration. That collaboration is called bank assurance. So recently one bank and insurance company have done the collaboration. This collaboration is called bank assurance, where the bank branch utilized for the purpose of offering the insurance facility. जहां पर insurance facility को offer करने के लिए bank branches का use किया जाता है, इसे कहा जाता है bank assurance. So Equatus Small Finance Bank have done the collaboration with which organization? Edelweiss Life Insurance for the purpose where Equatus Small Finance Bank will be offering the Edelweiss Life Insurance पॉलिसीज. तो एडलवाइस के इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज जो हैं वो अवेलेबल होंगे इक्वाटस पे. एडलवाइस इक्वाटस बैंक एश्योरेंस बैंक. इन द मंथ ऑफ May 2025, Equatus Small Finance Bank have also done the collaboration with Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance. तो आदित्य बिरला के साथ भी कोलैबोरेशन किया है May मंथ में. That Aditya Birla policies will be available. now done the collaboration with Edelweiss, that Edelweiss policies will also be available. इन सबके policies available होंगे at the branches of Equitas Small Finance Bank. Bank founded in the year 2007, Chennai, Tamil Nadu is the headquarter. Vasudevan PN sir is the managing director and CEO. CEO और managing director है Vasudevan PN sir. Point clear है यहाँ तक. Next है अगला point. उद्यम भारत MSME Day 27th of June 2025 was celebrated in the form of Udyami Bharat MSME Day of India and 27th of June 2025. Micro small medium enterprises contribute around 30% of the GDP and 45% of the export. Important data होता है, ये वाला data cover करके रखा करो. Why? Whenever you will be going for the GD group discussion round of SBI PU, at that time you should have the data regarding the Indian economy related data आपके पास होना चाहिए उस time पर, right? So important point is 30% is the contribution of MSME in India's GDP and 45% in the export of India. Yeah, important data hai. Theme of 2025 MSME Day is enhancing the role of MSME as a driver of the sustainable growth and innovation. It is observed on 27th of June. 27th of June को observe किया जाता है. Next है Tata Group became the first Indian brand to cross 30 billion market valuation according to the Brand Finance Report 2025. इंडिया का पहला कंपनी जिसने 30 बिलियन डॉलर का मार्केट वैल्यूएशन क्रॉस कर लिया, that is Tata Group, the largest one in India, crossing the 30 billion dollar of the market valuation according to the Brand Finance Report. The close competitors are Infosys, SDFC, Adani, Reliance. These are the close competitors. So Tata Group is on top with $31.6 billion. This is what the market valuation of Tata. Second number पर आपके पास है Infosys $16 billion, $14 billion SDFC third, Reliance $13 billion, sorry LIC $13 billion, Reliance $9.8 billion. So these are the top companies in India in this form. SBI $9.6 billion. These are the market valuation. Strongest brand की वो बात करें, so strongest brand according to the BSI. So strongest brand is Taj Hotel. Brand, not a brand, a company, not a group. One particular brand. So within Tata Group also, Taj Hotel is the largest or biggest brand in terms of brand valuation. So Tata in the Tata Group, Taj Hotels for the 4th consecutive year is the most trusted and biggest brand in India, followed by Asian Paint and third number Amul. So top 3 brands from India. India के अगर top 3 brands की बात करें, so Taj, Asian Paints and Amul. These are the top 3 brands of India. India की तरफ से ये 3 आपके सबसे बड़े brand हैं. ठीक है. New entrants which entered into this particular list: Zomato $1 billion, ranked 39. Birla Opus emerging for the decorative paint, and Birla Soft IT services. So these are the new companies which entered into this particular list. Talking about at the world level, so Apple is the company with the maximum or biggest market valuation in the world. World में market valuation के मामले में top पर आपके पास चल रहा है Apple. $574 billion is the market valuation. Microsoft second number, Google third. So top 3 companies at the world level. Next one. Competition Commission of India approved the acquisition of Akash Educational Services Private Limited by Manipal Health and Manipal Education Group. So actually Manipal Group is going to acquire the complete business of Akash Education, which is running the offline coaching institution for the IIT JEE preparation and medical need examination preparation. तो आकाश इंस्टीट्यूशन जो है या आकाश ग्रुप जो है एजुकेशनल सर्विसेज उसको एक्वायर करने जा रहा है मणिपाल ग्रुप. सो दिस इज व्हाट द सिंपल न्यूज व्हिच वी शुड रिमेंबर. कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया given the approval, which is a statutory body for the regulation maintaining the competition among the company. Headquarter located in New Delhi, India. Ravneet Kaur ma'am is the current chairperson of the Competition Commission of India. Google introduced AI mode in India with the enhanced reasoning and multimodal features. So when you will be using Google now for the Google searches, Google is going to give you more accurate data. Google never says that whenever you are searching something over Google is always correct. पता नहीं ये कहां से myth set हो गया that sir data is showing by Google sir. Google can show wrong data as well. Reason, if I will create one of my website, and within my website, if I am putting some data which is wrong, for example, Google task is, if more number of people is clicking over my website to see the data, it will be showing my website on the top. That is called SEO, search engine optimization. So Google is just showing my website on the top, or data of my website over the top. It is not the data of Google. Google का data नहीं है वो किसी ना किसी website, किसी ना किसी portal, किसी ना किसी handle का data है. That can be wrong. So it is a myth that every data which is available over the Google search is correct. It is a myth. That is why always in GA it is a big challenge, and I usually face it. Sir, on Google this is the answer. Then I have to say, follow whatever I have told you. Simply follow that. Don't use Google every place. Follow the data. I need to say sometimes, right? Chalo, come back to the news. So what Google is saying now, Google introduced AI mode in India to enhance the reasoning and multimodal feature, which will increase the accuracy of the data, which will be able to give the data of more complex searches. So Google, this version will be empowered by or powered by Gemini 2.5 version. So Gemini 2.5 version का use किया जाएगा. AI mode employ the query fan out technique, dividing the question into subtopics and sending the multiple related queries simultaneously. So more accurate data will be provided. It will also support image input, voice command, using the image command. So image input, text input, voice command, so many commands will be able to accept it, means will be accepted by it as an input, and based on that it will provide the output. उसके according ये क्या करेगा, output provide करेगा. So Google, few days before Google in news की बात करें, so few days before Google have launched AI Mrityoksha at I/O Developer Conference 2025. It is a multi-layered AI ecosystem that was launched by Google with the name of AI Mrityoksha. ठीक है, एक और पॉइंट है, Google have announced the Google Beam. Remember, हमने डिस्कस किए सारे न्यूज. Google have announced the Google Beam. Google Beam is a AI first 3D video communication platform that transforms the remote interaction into highly realistic face-to-face alike experience. मतलब Google ने 3D calling को अनाउंस किया है that they will be launching the 3D calling without any external device. किसी भी external device के बिना directly over the mobile phone you can be able to use it. Google have named the largest office of Google in India, created in or set up in Bangalore, Karnataka, with the employee capacity of 5,000 employees. Name is Anant. So Anant is the name of the largest Google office in India, located in which city? Bangalore, Karnataka. Google have announced India's first Google Safety Engineering Center in Hyderabad, Telangana. This type of center is going to be only 5th center in the world and first in India. India में पहला world का 5th center start होगा. That is called Google Safety Engineering Center. It will be set up in Hyderabad. तो ये हो गया आपके पास Google related point. Points clear है? Yes or no? अच्छे से clear है? Google revision points. Next one, National E-Governance Division. National E-Governance Division launches AI in the governance training program for the government officials at IIT Delhi. So recently, National E-Governance Division of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, they have conducted 2 days event based on that how to use AI, how to adopt AI for the government officials, central level, state level government officials. This program was conducted at IIT Delhi. तो IIT Delhi में Government of India ने एक program conduct किया है for the government officials. The objective is government officials can start using the AI, implement it in the public services. So how to utilize the AI and implement it in the public services? For that, Ministry of National E-Governance Division under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology conducted this. 59 government officials representing the multiple ministries, department, agencies participated into this. This 2-day event conducted in which IIT is going to be the question. कि 2 दिन का event किस IIT में conduct किया गया? What will be the answer? Next one. Indian Army inaugurated the first FM radio station name is Panchshul Plus, Panchshul Plus in Uttarakhand. So Panchshul is the name of the FM radio that is launched by Indian Army. It is on the name of Panchshul Brigade of Indian Army, which is posted in Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand में पिथौरागढ़ district of Uttarakhand, the first FM radio channel launched by Indian Army name is Panchshul. IIT Delhi correct है. So Panchshul is the name of the FM radio channel launched by Indian Army. Indian Army का FM radio channel launch हुआ जिसको नाम दिया गया Panchshul, which is based on the Panchshul Brigade located in Uttarakhand. Indian Army also introduced their separate, more secure postal services. Name is Meghdoot Millennium. Meghdoot Millennium is the name of the Army Postal Services Corporation in collaboration with the Department of Post launched Meghdoot Millennium, a more secure real-time postal software designed specifically for the defense person. So defense persons के लिए postal software design किया गया है, which is more secure, more protected, and it will be able to deliver the message or letters at very remote areas in India with the pure security. And this particular facility was launched at the Center of Excellence in the Postal Technology in Mysuru. मैसूर में इसको launch किया गया था. Name is Meghdoot Millennium. Meghdoot Millennium is the name of the postal service software that is launched by the Indian Army recently. Next one, Janvi Deganti to be the first Indian astronaut on the Titan space mission. It is not like first Indian astronaut in the space. First Indian astronaut on the Titan space mission, which will be launched in the year 2029. 2029 में जो launch होने जा रहा है. So Janvi, 23-year-old, although she is going to become the youngest astronaut to participate in the international astronaut mission, youngest one only, at the age of 23. So Janvi, she is from the Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh, will become the first Indian astronaut to be the part of Titan space mission, which is launched in the year 2019. It is a project of Titan Space Industries, which is a US based research company. So US based space research company Titan Space Industry have confirmed the name. One of the astronaut which will be participating into 2029 space mission will be Janvi. Janvi, she is a graduate of NASA International Space Program and will become the first Indian to complete this program at Kennedy Space Center in USA. So ये mission होगा for 5 hours approximately, include 2 Earth orbits and provide 3 hours of continuous zero gravity. So this type of mission that is planned in the year 2029. Ministry of Defense approved 1,900 crore rupee worth weapons via emergency procurement to enhance the counter-terrorism and readiness. So to increase the counter-terrorism, act of our Indian Army. Recently, Defense Ministry have announced the procurement of 1,981 crore rupee of procurement of the weapons. तो काफी चीजें इन्होंने procure की हैं. For us, 2 points are important. One, recently Ministry of Defense announced procurement of 1,981 crore rupee of defense procurement out of the total budget of 6.81 lakh crore. This is the total defense budget. Total defense budget जो है आपका, that is 6.81 lakh crore. This is the total budget. ये आपका total budget है. Point clear है? Is this clear? There is no specific meaning for Meghdoot and all. कोई specific meaning. Megh means clouds. Doot means someone who is sending sending some message. That is called Doot. So Meghdoot means you can say that that is someone who is sending the message with the support of cloud. That is what the meaning of Meghdoot means. You are creating it. ठीक है? हाँ, ऐसा. Two different words. One is Megh, another one is Doot. Bihar became the first Indian state in the country to launch the e-voting facility in India. In 6 Nagar Panchayat, 36 different locations it have conducted. Voting begins 7 a.m. concluded at 5 p.m. for the e-voting. Voters can cast their vote till 1 p.m. from their homes. State Election Commissioner Deepak Prasad have called it a historic day, and for the first time it is implemented in Bihar. बिहार में इसको implement किया गया है, ठीक है. Indian Council of Medical Research launches its first high performance computing facility at National Institute of Virology in Pune. So that is ICMR integrated the first computing means supercomputer facility इन्होंने launch किया है. इसको launch किया गया है ICMR National Institute of Virology, that is NIV Pune. Name is Nakshatra. So this high computing cluster will be called Nakshatra, or the supercomputer which is installed in Pune, it will be called Nakshatra. So naam yaad rakhna hai, Nakshatra is the name of this facility. This done from my side for the day, guys. Important days के 1-2 days लगे हुए हैं आपके पास, तो वो चेक कर लीजिएगा PDF से. PDF will be available in this Telegram group GA Genius by Aditya sir, and I'll be meeting you back in the next session soon. आज से मॉक्स भी स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं आपके सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के PNB क्रेडिट ऑफिसर. सो इन्फॉर्म टू योर फ्रेंड्स इफ यू फाइंड समवन स्ट्रगलिंग इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ Central Bank of India or PNB Credit Officer interview, they can join my batches which are available over the Guidely platform. Apart from that, Hustle 2.0 is your one-stop solution actually for the complete preparations. Join the batch, start your preparation as soon as